Hey y'all, we are going to milk Cookie right now and feed the pigs, feed the meat birds, feed all the baby chicks. Got a lot of stuff to do this morning. Just gonna bring y'all along as we do our morning chores, and it's a beautiful morning out. Got down to about 50 degrees last night. Supposed to be in the mid 70s today. Low humidity, just beautiful, beautiful day. So here we go. Oh, nobody's in here eating hay this morning. Everybody's out grazing. I'll give y'all a better view of the little chicks here in a minute. But all right, let's go get Cookie. Huh?
Did I get the feed?
Oh, well, I thought that I could go with one of you and get Cookie while the other one got the feed. Will that work? Probably. Okay. Let's do that. Emma, are you going to get the feed? All right, Jack, you help Emma. There's Penelope this morning. Pig. All 7 little piggies over there in the corner. They are growing. They are solid and little fatties. And Miss Penelope is ready to be fed today. Time to come get milked. Hey, Cookie. Good girl. Good girl. She's putting some weight back on. What is it, baby?
I was looking for my seat. I forgot to carry it and took it from me last night, so she can't put it on.
She's eating her alpha hay with a handful of sunflower seeds. Getting ready to get milked. They clean off the teats. Give each of them a couple squirts to make sure there's no dirt or anything up in them. Turn the milk machine on. And Emma takes 2 of the cups and Kylie takes 2, and then they attach it. You'll hear the machine change here in a second, the sound of it once we get all the cups on. There it goes. And now she's getting milk. You can see the milk coming through the machine. Milk is flying in there. Hey, Cookie. You chowing down on your alpha hay, girl? Huh? She's a very good cow. We are very blessed to have her. What do you got over here, Jack? Kitties? Yep. Here's, I think, our newest addition to the farm. 3 barn kittens and a mommy cat. What's her name, Jack?
This one's Cocoa Pebble.
Cocoa Pebble, yep.
She's got the green eyes. And then Emma's a salad.
Let's see if I can get a good view here. Hang on, let me. Camera's not focusing very well.
She keeps moving her
I
head.
think it's the lighting in here too. Okay.
She's got green eyes and then Emma's got blue eyes.
Right. We'll close that up. So yeah, we're keeping them in here until they get like 8 weeks old. Then we're gonna take them and the mommy cat and have them all spayed because we don't need any more kittens. But come this way. The sun is behind you. The lighting is. All right. And the girls are over here feeding Turkeys.
They have water. You just need some feed.
All right, I'll hold this for y'all. Yep. Yeah, I moved the feed yesterday, y'all. We've got layer hens, turkeys, and guineas in here in this brooder right now. We've got another 100 meat birds that should get here next week that will go in here. So in the meantime, I got to figure out something to do with these guys. We have some ideas. I'm just not sure what's going to be the fastest, the cost-effective thing to do with them all. Kylie's got her kitten. What's your kitty's name, Kylie?
Liza.
Liza. They don't even have fresh feed yet, and they're going crazy. Every time the lid opens, they think they're getting fed, so they go nuts over it. Here comes Emma. Good job, Emma. All the guineas. The guineas are very wary little birds. They stay over here under that screen. Here come a few over to eat. See if I can zoom in on one here. Oh, there's the two guineas. The lighting is not good in here. Just we had a bulb burn out like right over top of our heads the other. I think I saw it yesterday. Haven't had a chance to make it to the store yet to get one. But they're fed. They've got water. Then we've got these little chickies, which are all bantams and frizzles, right, Kylie?
Except for one, which is the turkey I have.
Oh, okay.
And it's easy to tell with the letters.
Yep. These are all bantams, frizzles, and then the one turkin that Kylie hatched, which is right here in the center of the screen now.
Rosin, this one?
You can see the frizzle's wings. Feathers are hilarious when they grow backwards almost, looks like. And here's the turkin. Come on, Kylie, hold it still. I'm trying to get the focus on it. I don't know what's going on with our camera lately. I noticed it yesterday, not focusing. It didn't seem to focus very well on what I wanted it to. But you can kind of see this little naked neck chicken there. Kylie thinks they're adorable, and I'm just like, think they're terrible looking.
I don't think they're funny.
There's a frizzle.
Look at this little tail feather that it's getting.
Yep. We have an escapee. Which one is that one?
The sea bright?
Okay.
I think Lydia's little chick out there might be a sea bright.
Maybe.
It looks a lot like him and it was little.
And they've got food and water still, so they're good. How's Cookie doing? Kylie checks and see how much milk is in the udder.
They're flaring, okay?
Yep. You almost empty, Kylie? And here's Clary. Up in here chowing down on some hay. I did some work for a friend of mine on his truck. The guy we got hay from last year. And putting fuel injectors and injector cups in it. And instead of him paying me for it with cash, we just took hay bales for trade. So we've got some hay right now. I think we have 9 bales left. I've set some out for the steer calves, the heifer calves, and I put one in here to help get everybody up the other day so we could work them and get the calves their booster. And one of them had to be castrated, and we had to band one, and just to get everybody in and caught up on everything. Alright, so Cookie is done milking now. She's going to stay here and eat the rest of her feed. They just hang out with her while she does that. Jack and I can go ahead and feed the pigs, or I'll video while Jack feeds the pigs because I can't do both. And alright, let's feed Penelope, Jack.
Okay.
So So we soak our feed, and just to help get more nutrition out of it, it kind of sours a little bit, ferments, and the pigs like it a whole lot better, and it's a whole lot healthier for them.
That one's really soupy.
Yeah, I didn't put as much feed in it yesterday because I'm using a different type of feed. Trying it. Need to get rid of it. Are you ready, Penelope? She's excited. She can smell the feed. Pigs can smell very, very well. That's probably good. So she's chowing down. Hey, old girl. Hey, Penelope.
Kind of wagging her tail.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. She likes to be petted and scratched and fed.
All at the same time.
Yes. All right, and then here we have piggies. Look, she stopped wagging her tail when I quit scratching her. See if she wags it again when I start scratching. Hey, girl. Yeah, see, that's funny. There's not a lot of mommy pigs. You can do that too. Handle them while their babies are while they're with their new babies. So these little guys are like a week and a half old about. Or guys and girls, I should say, and they are just phenomenal looking little piggies.
That solid red one's the biggest.
Yeah, but they're all very, very good.
Yeah.
Okay, well that's Penelope and the piggies. So here's our little boar. Hey, feed him, Jack G, before he tears that fence down. And there his feed is. He is growing a lot. Alright, so sorry about that. My camera battery died. I'm not sure how much I got. But here's our little boar. And he is growing very well. I'm going to show you these steer calves. I know y'all can hear them bawling and carrying on. We've got them separated now for weaning. And they're here eating hay. Hey, little steers. The only one I've heard bawling this morning is this black one. Oh, there goes another one. I was going to say, I think the rest of them have resided to the fact, but then they haven't. But he just got put in. He's a day behind the others on weaning, so he is more bawly still. But that's Sir Reginald. In case you can't tell, the kids name our cows. Here's the other guys. We got 9 in here for weaning. We got our heifers. I'll show you those here in just a minute. And we got to work on their automatic water today, Jack. This pig's tore it up.
Oh yeah.
So we got to bend it back and hopefully it'll work. Because 9 steers and a horse drink a lot of water. This is Jack G's entrance to the feed these pigs. That big white pig needs to go in our freezer. That one right there. We're gonna put her in the freezer, and so we can have some pork. Okay, here are the heifers, chowing down on some hay. They've got plenty of grass, but sometimes they just like hay too. So we feed them hay and the grass right now. I want them to keep on growing and growing good. But here's the heifers. There's only, you can only see 3 of them. So the boys come down here and help me move these meat birds every day. They pull the waters out, the feed pans out. The meat birds have pretty much learned the drill. And we just move them with the tractor. It's slower and more methodical. So it lets them understand they need to move out of the way better. So, all right, Jack, hook up the bucket and I'll let Josiah. Hey, Josiah, you video, please.
That's good.
Alright. So they're moved. Now we're going to give them some feed and top off their waters. Soaking their feed the way we're doing helps them drink way less water because they're getting so much moisture out of their feed. We just put their feed in those 2 metal pans. Fill them both up. Right now they're getting about a 5-gallon bucket of feed a day. And that's the meat birds and the turkeys. And they're growing really good. Soon, like, we're still in the middle of drying clary off, so once in a while we'll have milk left over, and I'll soak their feed with the milk, which helps them out even more, you know, obviously than just the water. But we're very happy with how they're growing. I think they've got about 2 or 3 more weeks to be at butcher weight, which is right on target, and they're doing great. Let me see, bub. You can see them all chowing down. Jack is over here filling up waters. I'm not helping as much this morning because I'm videoing. He just gets water out of the creek. Creek is flowing good. I saw that.
The bank was sliding under my feet.
Nice. All the way down through the entire length of the property. There's a few cows grazing. Small cows up on top of the ridge. You can see here where the meat birds have been. Here's our feed scoop, boys. Put that over there in case we need it. Keep it with the tractor. Actually, put it on the top of it. So the meat birds started right out there about where that tree is, but on this side of the fence. We've worked them all the way this way, and you can see the days, like as it's growing back better and better.
Water's busted.
Which one is it?
There's a green one.
Where's it busted at?
Right here at the top, all the water's running out of it.
Okay.
See it right there?
Yep, well, we'll take it up to the house and
cut from there to there.
Yep, we'll try to caulk it. All right, well, give them the other 2, and we'll remember we got to caulk that water, and we'll have to fill up their waters later on today. They probably, like, these days they're drinking around 10 gallons a day, 10 to 12 gallons. Well, no, it'd be 8 to 10, wouldn't it, Jack? Because that's a 3-gallon waterer.
Yeah.
They're drinking about 8 gallons of water a day. But you definitely want to make sure you keep them with water. Plenty of feed and plenty of water. That's the key to growing meat birds. All right. Wow. Rusty is going nuts. Go help them, Jack G.
Yeah, you look, Miss Alyssa's heading that way now.
Yep. We'll ride up there and check on them here in just a second. That's a lot for them to lift out of there. Is there any, are there any eggs?
I don't think so.
I don't know what we're going to do about these chickens with eggs. If they don't soon start laying, we're going to have to do something. We fill up that trough and slide it up under the tractor so the cows can't eat their feed. And here they come. Huh. Not quite the stampede I expected. Everybody's being calm this morning.
That's because they're all in here.
Oh, are they?
Yeah, because when I opened it, they all tried to come out.
Oh.
Yesterday, the rooster jumped out of here and tried to jump on me.
He backs down pretty quick, though.
Yeah, I went to check for eggs one time, and he saw me coming and ran inside the coop and hid in the nesting box.
Yep. These chickens here are a little bit more wild. Alright, let's ride up here and check on the other cows and Rusty. Rusty's just worked up this morning over something. He must have ate his Wheaties this morning. He's feeling good.
You gonna try and push that rock out of the ground?
That'd be good if he could get that out, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it would. We'd have $1 million bull if he could.
It's not our bull anyway.
No.
Look at him wallowing. He's just worked up this morning. Feeling good. Those muscles rippling. Look at the hair standing up on his tail. There's another bull joining property, or if there's he can smell a cow in here, what's going on that he can't get to, or maybe he's just feeling good today. All right, y'all. Well, that takes care of feeding all the animals, and we're gonna head back to the house and see what else we can get into today.